a Desi remedy that makes your hair strong and shiny. Hey everyone, today I have brought you a herbal secret your hair will absolutely love. If you dream of strong, thick, and shiny hair, then stay with me for just 3 minutes. This remedy will surprise you. First, we'll use an ingredient that's found in almost every kitchen: fenugreek seeds, Methi. Soak 2 tablespoons of fenugreek seeds overnight in water. In the morning, grind them into a smooth paste. Now, apply this paste to your scalp and roots and leave it on for 30 minutes. Trust me, this simple remedy deeply nourishes your hair from the roots and adds a beautiful, natural shine. So, friends, that was our short but powerful home remedy to make your hair strong, thick, and naturally shiny without any chemicals. If you like this tip, make sure to try it out and share your results in the comments below. And yes, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon for more easy and effective Ayurvedic secrets. See you in the next video. Until then, stay natural and stay glowing. Green plant.